Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle the Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. So let's unlock the phone. Now let's open up the settings and here click Wi-Fi. Now we want to disable it right here by tapping on the switch and wait a couple of seconds. Now 5 seconds should be enough, so now just turn it on. After that, if you connect to a network, then everything should be okay. As you guys can see, some networks are just available and you won't connect to them automatically, so you guys can try and click on the network, click on connect right here, and then you will be connected. So what you guys can do next is forget the network and reconnect to it. So let's click on the network and let's click forget right here. Now let's select the network. So this network is right here and let's enter the password. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now we have successfully connected ourselves to the Wi-Fi and everything is good. But if it's not for you, then I recommend you guys restarting your router and the phone. So I cannot restart my router right now because it's very far from where I am, but I'll show you guys how to restart the phone. So hold the power button and you should see this menu pop up after a couple of seconds. Let's click restart and tap the restart here. Now for your router, the switch is in the back. It's always in the back from every single router I've had, but you guys need to find it, just turn it off and turn it on again. So I'll see you guys once the phone turns on. So now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for the software updates. So let's unlock our phone after the restart and now let's go to the settings. Here we need to scroll all the way down until we see system and updates. It's almost at the bottom. Now let's click on software update and here I need to go over and connect to a network that has the internet, so I'll get back to you guys in a second. Now as you guys can see, it's checking for updates automatically and my software is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important because it can fix a lot of glitches, including your Wi-Fi not working properly. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.